Hey guys, welcome back to making a free e-commerce online shopping website for free. That's right, and no coding necessary. And last time we went over how to just start a simple template for our website, and the settings about how the website will look and what will be on the website. Now today we're going to go back and we're going to go into the website and do adding products to the website and adding the add to cart button and a shopping cart button. And this is all going to be used through PayPal. We are going to use PayPal, and the only fees that you will incur over here are fees after somebody buys something from your website. So to set up the whole thing that I'm showing for free is just making the website. Once people buy from you, it's going to, of course, it's going to cost you. Even when you go to a regular store and a regular local grocery store, and you use credit card, they have to pay a percentage from their credit card to the credit card company. So you'll always have to pay money to to accept a credit card. But before that, everything else is free to make your website. So let's go back there and go to blogger.com. If you're not signed in already, sign in. You'll be prompted by a window to sign in with your Google account. And these we don't need. And go into your website, your blog, your website. And now we're going to, first we're going to do a little layout specifications. Go to layout over here. And over here it says cross column, add a gadget. We are going to add pages. A regular website, regular store website has pages. Pages on a website for the top where that displays your payment, your homepage, displays about us, contact us. So those are the basic 3 pages that we're going to add right now. So we go up over here, we click the add to gadget again over here on our layout. And we're coming with a whole bunch of these gadgets we can add to the website. And scroll down till you see pages. Display a list of standalone pages on your blog. Either click the pages or the plus button next to it. And the titles, this is the default layout. Just go ahead and click save. Now if you would go to your blog, view your blog, you would see you have a home page over here, and that's the main page of the website. Now, we need an About Us page. So what you want to have about your website. So over here is go to Pages on your tabs over here, and click over here, it says New Page. Now we're going to call this page About Us. And you could write over here, just type over here, is we are a wonderful clothing web store featuring for men, women, blah, 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 blah. Whatever you write over there. And you could customize this, how it looks. You can make this to a heading. You could change it back from a heading. You could change the font. There you go. You could change the size. You can make it bold. You could make it italics or underline the whole thing. You could cross out the whole thing if you want. You want to leave you could do that as well. You can undo it here, and you could change the color of the words. Default color will be what is set on the template designer, but over here, as you can on this page, if you want different colors, you could change the color. You could highlight it if you want, and you could attach a link to it if you want to attach a link to it. Let's say you want somebody to go to your YouTube channel. Check out my YouTube. and could highlight this and go ahead link and put the link to your YouTube, whatever your YouTube is. It's usually going to be youtube.com/user/ and the name of your channel. And you could choose if you want the person when he clicks it to open it in a new window, or then you will check this box. If you don't want the same window, you uncheck it and click OK, and this is a link. So basically, another thing, you see search description. You could add a description over here that will help the internet, the search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo to help other people find your website by writing a little description about this page. But I can do that for now, and you click publish. And I go back to your layout, and on the pages that you add, click edit. Now you'll see over here about us. This is the page that we just created, and check it so it should show up on your website, on your tabs. Click save. Now let's view the blog, view the website, and you have over here the main home page and the about us page. You click it and you see about us. So the reason why it's coming out red over here, because under template designer we clicked red, but you can go ahead there and change it to black. That'll be normal, and this is your link, and that will be fine. Now your links, this is your link that we did. Regular, it's this color, and you hover it with the mouse, it goes to orange, and you click it, go to my YouTube channel, and that's a link. It goes to another page. The link goes to another page in your website, anything website, and here are there sharing buttons that you could share it to other people. Other people could share your page, and here are comments. Comments tab. We have it set like this, and anybody could, since you see anonymous over here because you set that in the settings to anonymous. Anybody could post a comment, and you write the comment. They write the comment here, and they could publish it. But this is about us page. We don't want comments on the about us page. We just want a simple page, information about our company. So what we do is we'll go back to the pages tab on our dashboard, click edit on that page. That's how you would normally just re-edit the page. And under options on the right side over here, there's under reader comments, click don't allow. Hide existing or show exist doesn't make a difference, just because there are no comments yet. Anyway, just click hide existing and click done. Then once you do that, you click update, and now go to view blog, go to about us, and no one could leave any comment on this page. That's the about us page. Let's make a new page to contact us. Contact us. And over here you put your information, your phone number. You have your name. You have your store name. For now, I'll just use my clothing store. You could put the address, the phone number. You could put any information, your email, and anything else information you want to put here. And again, we'll click on search description, make a little description over here what this page is about, and then click done. And under options, we don't want comments, so we click don't allow and click done. We don't allow comments on this page, and then click publish. Now you have this page. Go back to your layout again, click edit, and check out the contact us, and that will be added to your website. Click save, and let's view the blog, view the website, and here you have it. You have contact us. This is all the information that you put in, and there are no no one's able to put a comment over here, and you still have the About Us page over here. And that's that. Now, we are going to need, so that's that, and that's good. But you want to sell products on your website. You don't just want to have information on your website. You want people to buy stuff on your website. So let's go ahead and let's go to post. And let's create a new post. You could simply click over here, new post. And we're going to make a product. So let's start with, I'm going to do a police costume product. So on the post name on top over here, I'm going to write police costume. And here you have, on the post settings, you have more settings than on the pages because you need these more settings. So see, because these are going to be for your product. So what first we're going to do here is, you can follow me exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to insert a picture. And when you click to insert a picture, just click this little image box over here. And we're going to choose a file from our computer. And I'm going to choose this image. You can choose whatever image you want to put up. It's a police costume for a child. And once you uploaded it, you'll see it over here, and just click on it. Make sure it's highlighted, blue around it. And then on the bottom of it, click Add Select. Now automatically it puts the picture in the middle of the page. But the best, I would say, for your website to look very nice, click on the image, and on this tab over here, click left. And go back on top over here. And while this is still highlighted, back on top here, and you want to make sure it's towards the left. Align it all the way to the left. Okay. And then you want to click, and then just right now over here, this area over here, we're going to put the Add to Cart button. But that's soon. I'll show you how to put that in. First click Enter over here. And you write your description of your website. And before you write the description, what you should do is go up over here and click this little break button. And it should be right over there. You want the break. And I'll show you what the break does soon. And over here, you'll write a little description of the thing and add any more images you want over there. Now, up here, go back up here and put the price for your item. Let's say you're charging $19.99. So put the price over here, bold it, and later I'll show you later how to do the Add to Cart button, but for right now, description, more information under here, on this area. Information, more images, and on the side over here, we have labels. So you want to put a label about what this product is. And this is a unique label for your website. So put a label over here for costume, and separate by comma, put a comma, put a space, and write children, so you know it's a children's clothing. Click done, and you have labels. Now search description, write a small description about what this is about. Click done. The options, you want to allow reader comments, because this is going to be, you want people to leave reviews about this product. So keep the allow button clicked and click done. Now we're going to publish our first product and click publish. Now you have this. Now you have this over here because this is your